This is the Irontrader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look at a couple of AI plays. Here are two ETFs. The first one is AIQ, and the second one is BOTZ, B-O-T-Z. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, my ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, first one we have here is AIQ. Now this is a good one. And actually an easy ETF here to play the artificial intelligence, okay? Now, this one here, it has Intel in it, Adobe, it has IBM, Amazon, Meta, Netflix, CRM, Google, Microsoft, and on and on. Everything is in here into this ETF, and it pays a small dividend. It doesn't have a lot of volume, so you don't want to go too huge in here, where BOTZ has a lot more volume here. But this is one to look at here as it pulls back, okay? So let's just take a look at the chart. You can see how this had this run. Now look at this run here, all the way from 25.39 here. You went up to 31.45 here. So this was a really nice run here on something that is just like more of a good package kind of a deal here. So now what we want to do is we want to watch this 8 SMA here, okay? That's very, very key, okay? Then we want to watch this 21 SMA. That's also very, very crucial here at 30.44. And then we have a retest going on down here at 29.32. And then we have your 50-day at 28.97. Now, there are some gaps in here, okay? You can see where you have a gap right here at 28.70, and then your fill here at 28.32, okay? We have another gap here at 27.35, and then we have a fill here, 27.19. And then we have 26.92, which is your gap, and then we have a fill here of 26.55. So you have a lot of gaps and fills here in case this does pull right on down here. However, if it does and comes down to this area right here, this is that level right there that you want to watch here, is that 29.32. This might be a good buying opportunity here to get back long here. So this is an easy way. It's cheap. It's only, what is it, 31.06 here. It doesn't cost that much here, and you can buy a lot of shares here, okay? And then what you can do is, this is a good play if you want more of a package instead of just playing a simple one, okay? So here we have, like on your weekly chart here, well, we want to always go down here and watch this. Obviously, this 8 SMA here at 29.95, but you also want to watch this key level here, 29.74. That was your breakout level, okay? So again, if you can hold that level right there here, that'd be maybe a good buying opportunity here to make this thing go higher. Now let's take a look here at BOTZ, B-O-T-Z. Okay, here we have BOTZ. Basically the same thing as the AIQ. You just have to choose. Now this one does more volume kind of a situation here, but look at the nice run up you had here, okay? So you went from 22.26 here to 28.85 here on this nice rally that we just had here, okay, since the beginning of November. So this was a really a good one here to buy. Now, again, you can see here where you have a top here of that 30.26, which is basically right there. Okay, so again, if you can break out of that here, you can go all the way up here. You got 36.30 here and move all the way on up to here, like to the 40 level here, very, very easily here. Now, on the downside here, you want to watch this. Obviously, this 8 SMA here, that's going to be crucial. Okay, you're sitting at 28.48, and then we have your 21 SMA here. Now, again, this also has the gaps also with it here too, the same as that. So what we want to do is you want to look at the bottom here. If it does sell off here, is 25.21 here. And then you want to look at 24.67. There's your gap and there's your fill. We over here on this candle here, you got 24.11. There's your gap. Top of that, 23.88. And then we have 23.55. There's your gap. Top of that is 23.11 here, if this would happen to sell all the way on down here. But that would mean tech would be selling right off. I mean, all that good stuff, your Intels and Amazon, Nvidias and Netflix and Googles and Microsoft here. This is just a lot easier way, cheaper way here to get into the tech, because you can buy a lot of shares at 22. I think you can go there and buy 10,000 shares here. Well, you had a pretty good run up here. You can make some easy, good money here, okay? So always got to watch something out for that's like, think out of the box sometimes here. You know what I'm saying? So if you're interested in something like this here, they do pay just a small dividend here. So maybe this be for you. So remember, it's AIQ, and BOTZ. These are some artificial intelligence plays. All right, that's what I got for you today. Thanks for watching.